In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Zoom on Windows 10, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Keeping Zoom up to date is really important. Updates help protect your computer, fix bugs, and give you access to the latest features. The good news is, updating Zoom is quick and easy once you know where to look. First, let's open the Zoom app on your computer. Click on the Start menu, search for Zoom, and launch the application. Once Zoom opens, make sure you're logged in to your account. This step is important because the update option won't appear unless you're signed in. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your email and password and sign in normally. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window. You'll see your profile picture or a small circle with your initials. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, find and click on the option that says Check for Updates. Zoom will immediately check to see if a newer version is available. If your app is already up to date, you'll see a message letting you know. If an update is available, Zoom will start downloading it automatically. Once the download finishes, Zoom will guide you through the installation process. This usually only takes a moment. You may be asked to restart Zoom to complete the update. Go ahead and do that to make sure everything installs correctly. After Zoom restarts, you're all set. You're now running the latest version with improved security and the newest features available. It's a good habit to check for updates regularly, especially if you use Zoom for work, school, or meetings with family and friends. Staying updated helps everything run smoothly and safely. And that's how you update Zoom on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.